Hello! In front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the crown button. After the screen wakes up, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Like this. Now you can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system, and tap on it. And here find the option called date and time, and tap on it. And now to change the date and time values, we need to turn off the automatic date and time option. So as you can see now it's enabled. We need to tap on the switch to disable it, and then you can scroll down and you will see the set date and set time options. Tap on set date first. Of course, if you want to change the date. If you don't, you can just skip it and change and tap on set time, for example. And to change the date, you simply swipe up and down on the screen to change the month, then swipe left, change the day, swipe left, change the year, and then swipe left and tap on the arrow to confirm. Like this. To change the time, tap on set time, swipe up and down to change the hour, swipe left to change the minutes, like that, swipe left to tap on the arrow to confirm. Okay, you can also scroll down and enable or disable the option to use the 24-hour format. And if you want to change the time zone, you need to disable the automatic time zone option, like this, then tap on set time zone. And here you can select the time zone from the list, for example, Los Angeles, like this. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.